The Switchvox Conference Widget. Switchvox's Conference Widget lets you manage your Meet Me conferences and the people in them. It's easy to join your conference. When you do, you are listed at the top of the widget. You can sort other participants by their name or number or time in the conference. Here, the newest participants come in towards the top. The speaker icon shows you who is talking. You can mute a specific participant, or you can remove someone from the conference entirely. You can mute everyone but yourself using Mute Others at the top of the widget. When someone new joins the conference, they are also muted. End Conference Completely ends the conference and removes everyone. If you have administrative privileges on someone else's Meet Me conference room, you can join their conference and access all the same tools.